Welcome to this tutorial on how to see leverage on TradingView. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to view leverage settings for your trading pairs. Understanding leverage is crucial for making informed trading decisions, so let's get started. First, open TradingView and navigate to the chart of your chosen trading pair. In the top right corner of the chart, you will see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to open the Settings menu. From there, select the Symbol tab. Here, you will find various details about the trading pair, including leverage information if available. Next, if the leverage information is not visible directly, check if the trading pair supports margin trading by clicking on the Market tab. This section often displays leverage options provided by different brokers. Make sure to choose a broker that aligns with your trading strategy and provides the leverage you need. Finally, keep in mind that leverage can amplify both gains and losses. It is important to use leverage responsibly and only trade with funds you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more trading tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.